Live Storm Team.
Thanks for staying with us. Taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam. Hazy sunshine, just a few clouds out and about as we head through the rest of the evening. We're going to continue to see those hazy conditions, and that's going to set the stage for a nice sunset. One of the good things about having some smoky air out there. 86 degrees. It feels more like 87, a little bit humid out there. Winds out of the south at 10 miles per hour. They'll continue around 5 to 15 miles per hour as we head through the evening. 82 in Oaks, 84 a common number in most of our counties in the northwest. Also 84 in Sisseton, Wahpeton, Fergus Falls, and in Detroit Lakes. Most of the area, mostly sunny skies, just a few clouds, more clouds off to the west and the southwest. Underneath those clouds, there have been a few showers and a couple of thunderstorms popping up, and we're starting to see a few of those creep into our far southwestern counties and Dickey and Lemoore counties, and a few more of those may pop on up as we head through the rest of the evening. There is a chance for a shower or storm primarily in the far southern valley, and any of those will go away once the sun sets. A few more storms down in South Dakota. Severe storm down in south central parts of Nebraska. And as we zoom on out even further, some showers and some thunderstorms over much of the Rockies and into the western portions of the U.S. Severe thunderstorm in far southwestern New Mexico, and also some severe storms over in parts of southeastern Georgia. For us, as we head through the rest of the evening, again, an isolated chance for a shower or thunderstorm in our far southwestern counties. But once the sun sets, that goes away. We'll continue to see some warm temperatures overnight tonight, only dropping down into the 60s in most locations. Even 70 here in Fargo is about all we're going to do it for an overnight low. And temperatures during the day tomorrow quickly warming on up. And as we head through the day, very warm temperatures. It's going to be humid. It's going to be hazy out there. And we will have a chance for a few isolated showers and some thunderstorms. The better chances early on off towards the east. And then off towards the west, we'll start to see some better chances. These storms, especially later on in the afternoon and the evening, could be on the strong side. Maybe even an isolated severe storm or two is not out of the question. As we head through the day in Fargo, 70 degrees to start off the day. By lunchtime, warming on up into the low 80s. And by the end of the day, right around 90 degrees. If you are going to be spending lots of time outdoors, keep in mind you're going to want to use plenty of sunscreen. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water, as it's going to be a hot one. We will have that chance for a few isolated showers and storms. Better chances for those showers and storms on Sunday, and it's going to be a hot one. Could be the hottest day we've seen so far this year. 96 degrees. It's going to feel even warmer than that with lots of humidity around. It's also going to be a bit hazy. Better chance for some thicker smoke makes its way on into the area for Monday and Tuesday. And we'll continue to see temperatures in the 80s as we head through much of next week. A chance for showers and storms just about every day. The best chance, though, right now looks to be Sunday, and some of those could be strong and perhaps severe. That is a look at your weather. Time now to head it on out to Shields Arena to Hutch Johnson, he's with the Wheel of Fortune, folks, and the Wheelmobile.
That's right. The Wheelmobile has made its way to Shields Arena, and I got to tell you, we're having a good time out here. If you are looking for something to do this weekend, and if you've ever dreamed about being on the Real Deal Wheel of Fortune show, well, we can learn more about it from my friend Marty Lubin here. Marty, tell us a little bit about the Wheelmobile and what you're looking for here in the FM area.
Well, we're happy to be back in Fargo. It's been 5 long years. We're looking for contestants. We're looking for good game players, and we're looking for people with a lot of personality. This is an actual audition. You do well here, you go to a final audition. You do well there, you're on the show.
Fantastic. All right, well, we've got a puzzle that you guys put together for me. Now, I got to have some help from the studio out here. Now, take a close look at that. This is a place, you guys. Yep, now the puzzle's up there. What do you think, Stephanie? What do you think, Mike Morgan? How about you, Robert? You got any guesses what letter you want to buy up there?
I wonder if it's an
I want
S.
to solve the puzzle.
Okay,
I want to solve the puzzle.
Just solve it.
Shooting Star Casino.
Okay, yeah.
Is he right? Hold on, is he right?
Oh, they're solving it. Shooting Star Casino. Wow, I think. Wow, all right, very good. So it's that easy, and I got to tell you, they'd love to have you come out. We have prizes for you from Valley News Live and from our sponsors at the Shooting Star Casino. Tell us what time you need to be out here.
1 to 5. Applications go out an hour before each show. We're doing 3 one-hour shows. Do not miss it.
Don't miss it. And that's
chance of a lifetime.
Saturday and Sunday. So for now, back to the studio, but I'm pretty impressed with your guys' skills with words and letters. Way to go.
We are
you eligible now?
Wait a minute. I didn't hear. What did I win?
Yes, how much money did he win?
What did I win?
Oh, we'll see what Hutch brings.
What did they win? Oh!
Cut him off.
That's it.
Oh my, he's got some.
We got all kinds of gifts.
Get Pat and Vanna. You
Okay.
should get them.
That's good.
Interesting.
Coming up later in sports, another winner as well. The Redhawks starting catcher departs the team for a AAA baseball squad. Alex with the details.
And up next, giving it their all, we'll have members of our Valley News Live team who stepped up to the plate today for a food contest.